Your next question is, eating which food sharpens the brain? These are your options. A. Tulsi. B. Mint. C. Broccoli. D. Spinach. The correct answer is D. Spinach. Your next question is, which fruit never has insects in it? These are your options. A. Apple. B. Banana. C. Pomegranate. D. Guava. The correct answer is B. Banana. Your next question is, in which country is the toughest examination held in the world? These are your options. A. Russia. B. China. C. India. D. Japan. The correct answer is B. China. Your next question is, which country has the world's largest cemetery? These are your options. A. China. B. India. C. Iraq. D. Pakistan. The correct answer is C. Iraq. Your next question is, which country consumes the most tea in the world? These are your options. A. Russia. B. India. C. Japan. D. America. The correct answer is B. India. Your next question is, in which country electricity is generated from snow? These are your options. A. France. B. India. C. Japan. D. America. The correct answer is D. America.